Hello. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start a YouTube stream in OBS. So there are a few steps you need to take before you can start streaming your videos. Now the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have gone ahead and enabled the Go Live button. And this normally takes 24 hours. Now once you are eligible to run your live stream, you can begin straight away. And this time around, we are going to run our live stream using OBS. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, as you can see, I have quite a number of live streams that I've recorded on my channel. If I go under live here, you can see these are previously recorded live streams on my channel and they are quite long. We have others going up to 9 hours and it is pretty much simple to do it. So let's get into it. So I have here a video. Here's my video. And I want just to copy this heading because I'll use it to set the title. And then I'll go to my YouTube channel and then tap on go to live. So if you want to record live straight away, you can just go and select the live option. However, if you want to schedule it, you can choose this option called manage. And here you'll see we have the schedule stream option. However, for my case, I don't want to schedule. So I'll go straight to live here. And then I'll go ahead and create my title. So I'll add it to the previous one. And then a description. And then you want to go ahead and choose the thumbnail. So I have my thumbnail here. And here is set. Now you may want also to go ahead and customize your stream before you start. So if you go to customize, you can set participants either to anyone or subscribers. It is good to set it to subscribers so that you encourage people or you encourage those who want to make a comment on your live stream to subscribe first. So for my case, I'll set it on subscribers. And then the message delay, I'll allow it to 60 seconds and then go ahead and save. Now we are ready to go ahead and make our live stream. However, if you are doing it for the first time, you will need to copy this stream key for you to be able to connect OBS Studio with your YouTube channel. So I'll go ahead and copy it. However, mine is already connected. So for your case, just go ahead and copy it. And then it's time to go ahead and set up our live stream from OBS. To do so, go to OBS and I'm now in my OBS. And we need to set our stream. I'll add a stream here. And then I'll rename it to stream scene. You can give it any name that you so wish. So under scene, we shall be using the stream scene. Now we need to go ahead and add source. So to add a source, go ahead and tap add here. And then go and choose media source because we want to add a media file. So I'll tap media source and you can give it a name, any name you so wish. For my case, I just leave it as it is and then tap on OK. Now here you will have to go ahead and browse the video that you want to stream. So I'll tap on browse and go select where the video is. And here's mine. Then tap on open to load it. And it is loaded. Now before you can go ahead and tap on OK, choose whether you want to stream in a loop. That means you want your video to play continuously. Once it gets to the end, it begins afresh. If you want to play it in a loop, go ahead and tap on play in loop. For my case, I want to do exactly that. And then I'll go ahead and tap on OK. And this will go ahead and load my video. And here it is. Now we are ready to start our stream. Now that we already have our key, we can now begin our stream. Go ahead and tap on start streaming. And if I tap on start streaming, it will go ahead and connect to my YouTube channel. Now for my case, I'll not have to enter the streaming key because I had previously entered. So for your case, it will take you to a window to enter your key. Now within some moments, you can see the video will be loaded directly to my YouTube Studio and it will begin to play. Now look at that. The video is on. So if I go ahead and unmute, you can see. Now, if you don't want maybe your stream to pick up your desktop voice or sound, you may want to go ahead and unmute them like desktop audio and also microphone audio so that whatever is playing does not interfere with the other activities as I use my desktop. And now we can proceed and see our stream on YouTube. So you have also to go ahead and make sure that you correct these errors, maybe because of buffering. If you are experiencing buffering, then you may want to go ahead and make sure that you are using the correct settings of OBS, and that includes going to settings and then choose output option. And here you want to make sure that the bitrate, you can play around with this to correct it. So if anyone goes to my YouTube channel, they'll be able to see this live stream on. They can now also interact with it. So that's how you set up a live stream. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by subscribing to this channel and also by liking this video. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.